Good morning, class. It is theorem number 3rd. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite sides internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. If given that a triangle ABC and AD is the bisector of angle A. In triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle A intersect the opposite side BC at point D. Point D. To prove, now we have to prove that the angle bisector divides the opposite side internally in the ratio, means BD by DC is equal to the sides containing the angle, means AB by AC. We have to say so that the ratio of the sides containing the angle, means AB by AC, is equal to ratio of the segment divided by AD, means BD by DC. Now construction. Suppose it is triangle ABC. कंस्ट्रक्शन इस ऊपर वाले डायग्राम में बन नहीं पाएगी, इसलिए मैं दोबारा इसका डायग्राम बनाना पड़ रहा. एंड इट इज AD, ABC and AD. We have to draw a line parallel to AD, a line parallel to AD. It is parallel to AD. These two lines are parallel, which intersect the produced BA at point E. मीन्स BA को आगे बढ़ाने पर ये E पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट हो रही हैं. ड्रॉ CE parallel to DA which intersect the produced BA at point E. Proof. Since DA is parallel to AC, DA is parallel to CE, means these DA and C are parallel. Then these are alternate angle, means angle 3, that it is 3, it is 4, means 3 equal 4. Angle DAC, DAC means angle 3 is equal angle ACE means angle 4 are equal, and these are alternate angle. Alternate angle. Now since AD is parallel to C, then these angles are also equal. It is 1 and 2. Since AD is parallel to C, then these angles are also equal. AD is parallel to CE. Then angle BAD, that is angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle BEC, angle 2. Angle 1 equal angle 2, angle 3 equal angle 4. These are corresponding angle. Now since AD is bisector of angle A, it is the bisector of angle A, it means it divides the angle A into two equal parts, means angle 1 equal angle 3, angle 1 equal angle 3. Put the value of angle 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Then since angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 1 equal angle 2, and angle 3 equal angle 4. Then 2 equal 4, and we know that in a triangle if opposite angles are equal, then their opposite sides are equal, means AC equal AE. It implies AC equal AE. Now in triangle BEC, DA is parallel to C. When DA is parallel to C, then by Thales theorem, or BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, we have DA is parallel to C, means BA by AE is equal BD by DC, means since DA is parallel to C, then DA divides the sides BC and AE in two equal ratio. BA by AE is equal BD by DC. Since DA is parallel to C, then DA divides the sides BE and DC in two equal ratio, means BA by AE is equal to BD by DC. BA by AE is equal to BD by DC. Now BA can be written as AB. AE is equal to AC, and it is BD by DC. since AE is equal to AC, and it is proved.